Okay, welcome back. I'm going to show you real quick how to utilize projects inside of ChatGPT. So when you open up your panel along the left side here, you will see this section titled Projects, and you will see the folder icons right here. So what you're going to do is click on the plus button, which will pop up New Project. You can name your project, and the point of the project is to keep all your chats, files, and custom instructions all together so you don't have to try to search for all of those conversations over here. So what we can do as a project is we can call this business planning, for example, and we'll create the project. The next thing that is going to pop up is this screen right here, and we can start our chats in the project, but before we do that, we'll want to add resource files and, of course, instructions. These are not new operations inside of ChatGPT. They are just organized now together underneath this folder. For quick identification of the folder, we can click here and assign a color to this. Let's just put green, and that way it helps us find things quicker. The next thing we want to do is add files. Now, these files are essentially documents, code files, images, etc., for us to reference. So for example, if this was business planning, what we would want to do is upload any documents related to that. So if we had documentation, Google files, and so forth with information about the business, who the target market is, information, content, data, etc., would go here. And the AI would use these project files as a reference to communicate through the chat. We can also, after adding files here, individually attach files into these specific chats that we do not necessarily want to have in this general file folder. So that is doable as well. Now, additionally, we want to add instructions. We can tailor the way that ChatGPT responds in this project. So for example, it already puts one in here: respond in Spanish, reference the latest JavaScript documentation, etc., or things like keep answers short and focused. So for example, what I like to put in there is things like, for example, you are an expert business coach with deep knowledge on SEO, content writing, and social media marketing. Give me specific and direct advice, and keep answers short and concise. This would be an example of instructions that we would want. You can save, and now we are essentially ready to go. So we can keep all of our chats directly underneath this right here, which again you can see is on the left-hand panel underneath projects. Just a neat new way to keep all of your information organized, all your chats under different folders inside ChatGPT. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Of course, subscribe to the channel and comment down below anything else you would like to see, and I will see you next time.